Hey guys, hello, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will create a landing page. I will guide you step by step with a beginner level and we will enjoy it, right? So let's start. So let's quickly make a frame here. This time I'm taking my favorite one, this desktop. I always take this. So let's rename it landing page. That's here. Okay. So now first we will create a navbar. Let's zoom it. Right. First we will create a navbar. So navbar will be like there will be a rectangle first. So our frame width is 1280, right? So we want exactly 1180 and we want height like 45, or we can take make it round figure round up with 50. Perfect. 50. Now we want a logo here and some name links here and a profile photo here, right? So what we want is let's make a name here. So we will give a name like like we can give a name driveway. Okay. So for logo I have to take some font, right? Firstly I have to increase the font like 80. Now change the font. So it should be like look like in logo. No. Let's check them. This is fine. Much closer, like -1, -5, -10, -8, I think. Fine. Now give the exact weight size. So 50 will be fine, I think. 50 is too much. 45, 40. Okay, it seems to be fine, right? So we want then some labelings here. All right. So we need a button here. So I'm making a rectangle again. Make it like 140, 35, 35, 35. Sorry, 35. Yes. 35, and I have to give it like 50, 50, we want 50, yes, 50, perfect. Mm. Now the same, I have to duplicate this and give it a color change. Like, so now I just take this color and give the width 50. Switch case. Okay, fine. So this and this will be a group here. So make it a group. Fine. And place this here, right here. Okay. I think I have to change this color a little bit lighter. Hmm. Okay, now. Okay, now we have just a second here. It's EN. Let's change the font first. Or just go and type enter. Or we will take Roboto. Roboto Mono. Yes. Oh shit. And font size will be like 15. Duplicate here and like just this one. Perfect. That's what I want. I can change now this color to white. Good. Perfect. Now I have a give, I've already taken some icon from remix icon. So there should be no time waste. So here I want just this first ungroup. Yes. Now I want this. Sorry, this and this card. Okay. Place them here, making a line here. Perfect. Perfect. In a rectangle, because I have chair just to add a profile picture here and a menu bar here. So I'm taking a speed like 40 now, right? And speed should be like 100 again. So 100 will be fine. Check here. Is it okay? I think 100 will be more, much more. Let's check. I want an eclipse here. So it should be 50-50. 50 and 50. Yes, 50. Change fill. Actually, I want to change a fill. No, no, no. Okay, what I do? This, hit this. I want this menu bar. And I will take this picture as my profile picture. First, give the size 50 equals to 50. And duplicate first. I want a duplication here because we want later beside as well. So now just make it round. Let's see if it, yes, perfect. Five. No. All right. So 1 minute, baby. Okay, now just adjust this thing. Perfect. Okay, now move little by. All right. Now I have to just make it 1250. Hmm. I want also like border 250. Perfect. Fine. This looks fine. Actually, I should make it more smaller than 50, so then it will only look nice. Hmm. I think 80 will be fine. Oh, much here. Yes. Okay. So I think our neighbor is looking good now. Much more, much. Um, just more, much more thing. Think instead of this opacity, I should change this. Yes, looks much more fine. Okay, now I want that. I want a rectangle, but no point. So okay, so I will take any of the uh background section for the year. Which one should I take? I think I should take this. Bring it here. Give the width 1200. 1250 same as hmm, width to 700. Hmm. Border to 10. Much similar. So I have taken here an image, right, and place it here and adjust the width and height of the image according to this frame, right? Here is our neighbor, and this is the hero, background of the hero section. Right? So now it's time to add some text here and give some design elements here, right? So it should look like a hero section. So what I do is that we will make here give a tagline here. First, write this here. So we can give a tagline: explore the world most. Explore the earth most, like exotic. Yes, exotics places. Right. So here is a tagline, and again we have to change the font to Roboto Mono. Right, and place it here. Adjust. Yes, medium. Actually, I think we should change only to Roboto. Roboto Mosaic. Sorry, which one is looking good? Condense. What about this? No, I think just Roboto. For this as well, I think we should just Roboto, and for this as well. Hmm. Now it's fine. Okay, fine. So Roboto here, change regular to semi-bold and increase to 50. Yes. 59, right? 65. Perfect. I think we should uh, contrast a little bit more. Some your brightness come. Saturation, little bit more. Temperature is fine. Highlight should be fine. Shadow, we want some shadows. No. Okay, so here is fine. It is fine. So here explore those. Okay, so tagline is fine here. Now just add some design elements. CTA is much more. We can take it. We can create a rectangle. We can give it a height of 40 and width to 150. And we can place it here. Can give border to 40. Arrange, align it. Give the fill to white. And we can add a tagline here. We can give like take out now. Explore, yes, explore will be the fine one. So explore now, right? And we can give it a width here like 20. Yes, we can give it 20. 20 is fine. And I think edges here. Yes. Fine. Semi-bold is fine. Right. And now I want to add which one I should use. I think I should use this. Duplicate because we want more. Bring it here. I want to be horizontal. Yes. Increase the width to with 50 and 50. 25, 25. I always check. Okay, 25, right? So 225 will be fine. Looks good. Or I should change this to this one. Duplicate. 20 to 1956. And 200 is will be fine. See, 180 will be fine. Looks good. So somewhat shades look better. Now just add some more elements. Okay, so we can create here a rectangle here. And give the width to height, sorry, 100. And width to 250. Right? Looks better. Give border radius to 10. Okay. Again, let's duplicate, make a rectangle again. Give to 100. Width also to 100. Border radius also to 10. Change the fill to black for now. Select, sorry. List. Actually, no. It's just a fault here. No. Now we can subtract this. Fine. is that duplicate this, bring it here. Width will be like 3956, and this will be 40. Change to white. But also one more thing, because we want a circle, so it's 40, like we want 50 and 50. We want a stroke, so just a stroke. One, yes, we want white, and we don't want fill. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, perfect. Now it's time to add a text. We can add text like it's contact. Contact. Okay. We're not looking fine. We can place to one like 50. Yes. I'm sorry, 50. Okay, so we can give a stroke to white, same as it, and remove this width and give the fill of the this to white. Fine, and bring this group here. Twenty-nine point 56 and 30. Okay, fine. We have to do some couple of things here in the neighbor. First, I will make it just ungroup all the things, and all the things have been selected. So just add to auto layout. this and these things are being ungrouped. So just add auto layout. This thing and this thing. First, little bit inside, yes. Then select both the things, and actually this rectangle as well. So the three all things add to auto layout. Perfect. And I think I have to make this much more smaller. 35 will be fine, I think. Yes, 35 is fine. And rather than round corners, 10 will be fine for the this bar, right? And what else has been left out? Okay, and these two things as well. This and this and this. Just make it auto layout. Both things. Okay, now perfect. So now we can increase the width height of the string. It's 832. Now we can make it like 5000, right? So it okay, fine. Now it's time to add some more elements. So what I do here is I want here something a rectangle here. So I will create a rectangle first. Give the height 200 and increase the width to 300, right? Then give the fill, change the fill to white. Give some effect here, drop shadow, and increase here for 3. Fine. Move here to the left and change the shape of this. Zoom in a little bit. Fine. Pixels are aligned here. Okay, so the shape is ready. What we want is, so the shape is ready. Now it's time to add some text here. So I want that some text. So the text will be explore a curated most, some spelling mistake here. Okay, curated, most curated will be most destinations. Fine. So the first thing here is change this thing to medium, I guess, and 59 not auto will be fine. Perfect. And this is fine. So this will be thing fine. Hmm. Now we can decrease this height to, instead of 200, to 120, I guess. Perfect. And one more thing I want to add here is that arrow is missing here, so just duplicate that arrow. Yes, duplicate and put it here once more and duplicate it again, so we can find here and keep here this thing here, right? Okay, now I want a circle here, so I can take it 50, 50. Increase the size to 20 and 1956. Perfect. Placed to the center and change the fill. First, we can create a stroke here, and stroke color we should be like a little grayish. Okay, yes, and the fill will be changed to the fill will be like white. Yes, we want white, and we want white, and just a little bit thing here. Now I think we should change to little grayish, yes, and fill to 10, exactly the same one things we want to do, but it's not affecting anymore. So we can change here to a little bit more dicey one, or we can just give it to blue, like somewhat sea blue here. This thing, a little bit much more is turquoise color, turquoise, and opacity to this card is so much. Let's see how it's looking. And so let's change this fill here. Same here, same here. Okay, so I think it's looking nice here. Perfect. So what I do here is this thing and this thing be grouped here, yes. Or we can do is edit out. Perfect. And now about adjusting here. No, this no. This will be fine, right? And increase 130. Perfect. A little space here. Perfect. Okay. I think I should add here some much more things. Let's see what we can add here. Okay. Uh, we can change this thing, make here, and like we can add something more here, right? Text here, some more text, some numbers. We can give some numbers. Yes, we can give numbers. Yes. Okay. Now I think on some much more thing here is that we can add some small notifications like just things. 15 equal to 15. 15 will be fine. Yes, and they should be like over here. I fill here. Okay, now we should give a bright color. Bright will be like we can place yellow, we can place this blue, or this green, or this red. I think this black will be fine. No. This green, or this green, or this blue will be fine. So this blue, yes, this blue, and I think we should place it here, right here. Then to add some text, a number of notifications. So here, so we can place some notification like a 08, right, and decrease the font size here like 15. 15 is much more bigger, like 12, 10. 10 will be fine. Yes, 10 is exactly the fine thing. Yeah. So this thing and this thing should be duplicated equally and place it here and change this number 8 to 4 or 3. So in the card there are 8 number of items or 3 number of wish list. Or we can change this or vice versa. Wish list should be bigger than this. So are they equally aligned? Yes, they are equally aligned. Okay, so now one more thing I should do is already the best. Yeah. Okay, so it's time towards the second section. Okay. One here is that okay, what we can add is we can place a picture. We want a picture. So let's go to the picture. Which picture we should add? We can add this picture. Okay, bring this picture here. So we can place this picture right here. All it must center. Okay, we can add some more elements. We want a rectangle first. We should be like the same width, 250 and of 45. We can place here, just here. Change the fill to this turquoise, much blue. This blue will be fine. Right here. And what this place called? Let's search. Text. We can say, oh, I can say yes. Text like adventurous, scripts. And we have to change the font size 20. Font fill will be white. Like somewhat some black is just fine for it. And semi bold. All right. And need to add some numbers. We can add some more text here. Some text here. Every steps are unique. So make it matter. Just boring things. Hmm. Oh, so it should increase a bit like 40. Yes, we need some bold look. We can place it here, just here. And need some more elements. We can duplicate these elements. Place it here. And one CTA. CTA will be 345. Just 10. We need 10s. We have given a border stroke of C's. Okay, so probably this stroke. We want this same stroke. And fill, we want the same. No, not the same. A little black, darker, and just lighter than this. 10%, yes. And so we can add text like step up now. I forget. Step up now. Direct to regular or medium. No, 20. Let's try 30. Not much far away. And again this, so we can copy this, duplicate, bring it here, flip to this here, right? And need to change this 20 to 20. Perfect. All right, and I need to this here is like something missing. We can add uh, rectangle here. Oh, let's check what we can add here. We have polygon stars, arrow. Okay, let's see. Rectangle. No, let it be a rectangle. We can use line. Can use line here. Okay. We can arrange the width to 600. Duplicate this line. 550 and decrease the like to 30. I think yes, should be 0. Should be 0 here again. That's what now it's look fine. Okay, now fine. Sketchy way to duplicate this thing and rotate to 90 degree right here. Paste and decrease the width to 350. Oh, 345. Hmm. Looks fine. And we can duplicate this frame as well. Just like 550 and 600. So it should be 550, but not 580. Perfect. Much. Okay. Hmm. Group them together. Okay, so fine. We can step up to the next section. For now, yes. Okay. We can use something. Yeah, we want some. We are thinking here. We want that rectangle first. It should be like 50, 150 to 150. Much bigger here. And to 10. Placed it here. Bring this photo counter. Bring it to front. Keep 10. A week, yes. And we can add something called here. And yes, should change this. Nothing much. 5. Hmm. We should give some effect here. Exact to the 4. Right here. And you need some stars, so I'm going to that remixicon.com. Let's say ratings. No ratings. Ratings now. Stars. Okay, stars. Which one we should use? This one or this one? We can use this one. Okay. Alright. We can change this. Sorry. Bring it here and delete this frame. Now we can add this fill to this one. And we can make it here like give numbers. The credit score is profile as. So it should be like 7.6. This person has a rating. Increase the size to 30. Okay, 30, 83. 3 and 29, 71. And we can also increase some brackets here. Let it be 80 or direct 100. Increase 200 once again. 80 will be fine. Perfect. Move it a little bit here for the what's this thing? somewhat this look nice. How about actually 80 by 80 and 50. Let's look nice now. Send to the center of this. Perfect. Okay. Somewhat this look nice. Next section. Right. So again, being the it will be like a scroll carousel for an image. So in this video, I will be not making a carousel, but instead of just a static layout. So just to have an idea, good idea, how we can lay out the design the layout, right? It will be this carousel, this layout will be moving from left to the right. So the main image, the biggest section will be on the right side, and the others coming one from the left side, right? So just to make it clear, I'll just put in a here a rectangle first. We want this. It will be having a ground corners of 10, and just make it a round figure of 5, 20, and 600. And the same as my color, which I used back sometime. And opacity to 50. Perfect. Or we can increase the opacity to 70, I guess. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. And we should give it a drop shadow. But for the 3 by 3. But let's decrease this, change to 90 degree, to 180. Let's guess to 0, but vertically flip horizontally. Not working, so it's coming from here. So there's no chance to give somewhat effect here, but we'll try. So we want some 4 images, and I have already chosen this. Okay, so fine. So let's go choose image. One image will be this. Okay, side here. One will be this. One will be this. And one will be this. This 4 image will be there. We can place this image in between here. For this side, the center of this rectangle, and show is 400, right? So we don't want 400. We will guess to be 300. Now again, we can have the radius to 50. We much more we can decrease to like a capsule. So 90. We have too much more. Like 180 will be fine. Increase the height to 600. Sorry, 500. The total width of the rectangle is only 600. So in between here, perfect. That's what I want. I guess increase the height of the rectangle to 700 to add some element here and there. Okay. So we want some here kind things here. Okay, place them to the here. No, 400, 200 by 250. 200 by 250, right? 250. Easy. The same as here. 200 by 250. Okay. Just some more elements. Tidy up here. 25 is fine. Okay, give all them a 180. Gas increase to, need to increase the height to 300. Perfect. So just here, or directly to the center. Okay, and just want to add some, you know, my favorite. No, let it be. So this is a place. This duplicate. I need this again here. But now here, need to change this opacity to 80, and need to add a stroke to the dark one. Okay, this goes wrong. Okay. 80, and stroke is like, so we need to give a darker shade of the stroke. Perfect. Hmm. And also change this over the stroke color. Okay, fine. But need to add text. Increased beach is regular to 20. This is here. Duplicate this text. Change text to like boating. Duplicate again. Chill. Perfect. Now just adjust the space in between here. Okay, so tidy up first. Tidy up. 3, right? We don't need 3. Much more space, like 10. 10 is perfect. Guess yes. And crop them here. Add auto layout, same as we want. Is it fine to place it the bottom right corner here? Just here, yes. And one more thing, need to add text here. Oh, same, like number 1, 0, 1. Oh, it'll be fine for if we give here, right here. Yes, perfect. So it's looking some good, kind of good. Yes, I think it's kind of looking good, pretty good. I think I should keep much more, like 20 to 20, 30. How about 30, 30, 30, 30, 30? Much more, much more, much more. 50 will be guess fine. 50 will be fine. Center is not fine, so okay. Now it's looking okay. Good. I think we should change this to 150 and 250. 250. And place this again to the bottom. Okay, so just need to add some more text. So the second is that number 2, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. 3, 4. Okay, number 4. And align these things. These things should be aligned properly. So tidy up. It's not tidy up. Okay. Pro tidy up. Okay, now it's number 4. Okay, now I guess I need some name here. Sorry, text. Speedboat. Speedboat. We can place it here. Perfect. So this thing is fine. Hey, hmm, good. So we can 1, 2. So it's like air balloon, beach party. Hmm. So these kind of things are related, and I guess should change. Okay, so auto layout, yes. Okay, so this looks fine as well. So number 2, number 3, number 4. A little bit. Mhm. Perfect. Okay, so here is good. So need to add some more, some text above here, like just an heading. Okay, so we have given just duplicate, not much to duplicate. We can add experience, experience the font, and joy to the last. Okay. hmm Now it's time to add our next section, right? So it will be change. So a change in the sections. So I will be keep enough spacing here, same width and specific height. So we need to give some changes here. Yes, and just make it around up like 700. So we can adjust all the elements with a proper spacing. So it should not be like look like messy. Yeah, so here we can things here. So change is that. So after this rectangle, need to give a little bit change in this background, a little bit lighter, but what about this? How about this? Okay, just take just fine. So we can see the what's about this at 1250. So 1250. So place it here in center. Yes, and then now fine. So now we want some more rectangles because it's all about rectangles. 200 again 45. Some corners to 10. There's a spacing. Okay, right here, and change this fill to this beautiful one. about to the white, and we can just give a effect here of inner shadow right here. Perfectly all right. So now we can add text here. Uh, Benefits to 30. Okay. Okay, good. This and just want to add here this outer frame, some effect, drop shadow, yes, and this actually should y to 0 and exactly 4. Okay, now fine. All right, so coming back to this section, so we need some keep information, right, about this travel side benefits, right? Okay, so first thing is will be main focus here. A rectangle, again a rectangle, we need some more rectangles, some bigger rectangles. So 400 by 300 or 250 will be fine, I think. Yes, 250 is fine. Some round corners about 10. Fill to white, we need white. White is a favorite. And effect should be here. Yes, we need some effect of drop shadow, but 2 by 2, not much more by 4. 4 is just too much. So 2 by 2, duplicate this 4 frames by 3 times more. So 1, 2, and 3, and this is the fourth one, right? So change, we need to change these kind of things right here. Okay, place here one of them. Just make it here. Okay, sorry. Okay, fine. And change this with not for 200 by 250, or just same 200. Fine. And this should be like much more here. Or actually, you can delete this and duplicate this. Flip vertically and horizontally. Then increase the width to 300 and just set it here. And if you want, if I think I guess increase to 300, uh, and 400 would be fine as same. So our time is being reduced much more here, but I guess it isn't looking nice. Back to the first one. Guess increase the width 300. uh, and we want just one more. So a main focus, we can place it here and increase to 450 and 300, 250. It's all about heat and dry, right? So what we want here is the text that shows we are there to take care of every single thing We are there for everything. We are there to take care at every step. A man's step is a steps. So at every step. So at every step, yes, every steps. Fine. So change age. Here's some information. We can add an image here. Oh, we can image. This image will be fun here because nobody there builds those. So this company subs in the desert as well. So the company takes care. So image size is 400 and it says I will place it here. 100 by, let's check 100 by 100. 80, about 80. Okay, we can go for 200 and 180. Yes. Need some round corners as well of 10, 8, no, 8. Perfectly, just you're fine. And we can add this, okay, this thing here. Mhm. To 80. Fine. Okay, this is fine. Oh, we can do it. This alignment things are very problematic. Okay, fine. So it's look fine. Second thing we can place. All right. Just copy this text, bring it front, change the text. We can write. Okay, travel waste peace of mind, knowing that we are always. Oh, sorry. Place here. Here. Sorry, we don't need here. Actually, and this can be a little light and small as 20. Okay. I guess we don't need something. Some numbers. Need some numbers. Not here. Not here, baby. Okay. 0, 1. Yes, that's what I do. We can change to 40 medium. Weather. It's the beaches. Bali. Or historic place in Rome. What else we can add? We can add historic place in Rome. One more place names. Rome, and we have to add a desert. Or the Royal Inn. Royalty. I guess spelling is mistake. Of Abu Dhabi. No, yes, see. I'm not getting anything here. Two. Okay. Should keep them some space here. Can I add something more? Okay, fine. I want historical. You. So you drop the plan. So duplicate this, bring it here, and back to 3. Okay, fine. After this section, it's time to build the testimonial section here, right? So first, it's always about the heading. So quickly we can type the heading. We can say that client about our work, right? We can say that. Yes, of course we can see that, and we can increase the width. Oh, sorry, font size to 30 here. And of course it's enter, so we have to go for Roboto, this one, right? And it should be like not regular. So sorry, it's not the move change. So Roboto again. Hmm. No, why? Okay, changed. Now medium, no semi-bold will be fine. Increase the width to 35, I guess. Okay. Client walk. Fine. So we can place it here. Okay, fine. And we can. So it's time to add some people here. We have 3 peoples. Bring all 3 here. No, they are not too extra. These are the extraordinary peoples. I got some there around. Unsplash.com. Okay, let's see. We will take this for the center one. Ink sheet. increase it here. Width is fine, so increase the height to 350. Border to 10. Fine. So on a rectangle, you're 10. Somewhat white. Okay. Okay, so we can change this border to 10 again and decrease the width of this rectangle to 500 and move this image to the left. Fine. And of this image, we don't want the right ones, so 0, and this border also is to 0. Perfect. Now we can add some text here. Text is like explore the best of Amsterdam. Right. All without the usual travel stress. Truly an unforgettable trip. So we have here, so we can arrange this to 300. More to we like here. Increase the font size to 20. And this not be should be enter, it should be photo. And medium. Okay, no medium, regular is fine. Fine, regular is fine. Okay, fine to the left. Fine. And now change this fill somewhat white. And we can keep effect here. Effects same usual shadow effect. The 3 on the x-axis. And this should be here like. And we also play with the same numbers, so I just duplicating these numbers. Duplicate this rectangle shape and changing these widths to 200 and height as well. So height would be like 200 here. 225 will be fine, I guess, or else 250 height will be fine. Okay, it's fine here. And I'm changing its background color to 8 and 200, right? So and its width is 200 as well. So place it here, and I guess should increase the width to 300, 150, and 150 the height. 100 by 100 will be fine. Just too much size, right? Increase the border size, I guess. Okay, this is fine. 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 And we can please duplicate this number, or else we can do is that just place these numbers here. Fine. Okay. And change this color to the dark theme. We want some dark here. Okay, this dark is fine. We can change this fill to white. And duplicate this. Flip again. So these are the keywords. And we just want some name here. So we can add this boy. Here to like 100 and 100, right? Same as it. Okay. Round corners to 10. Perfect. Here. And should change this to 20. Perfect. This as well to 20. Fine. Okay, just need to add some name here. We can add here a name. Jonathan. John. Step in. Tin. No edges, this kind of things here. Johnston, regular, no regular. Extra light. And instead of 2018 will be fine. Or light. Fine. And we can adjust your race. So this is fine. We can duplicate this name 2 times more because we want some kind of your things here. Change this field to black. We can change this to James. Scott. Jasmine Watts. Okay, fine, cool. I guess I have finished. Okay, one more thing, one more thing, one more thing. Once height is VO is visual 50 and cast 400 will be fine. Border to 10. Stroke first. Fill to 10 or 20. Fine. You can add some text here like read more success stories. 20, yes. Regular. We need something from your this. Hmm. 20 1956. Okay, fine. Actually, I think yeah, here we should also give. There is here. I enjoy a lot. And my tour guide was oh so so note. Thanks to Trev Way. Add to 15. Okay, looks nice. Same here we have to do is Okay, we can place it here. Travel booking was super easy. And their guidance, support were amazing. Let's see how it's paying here. Thank you, Trevor. So we have finished here, right? Next is to place an avatar. Oh, sorry, a photo. So now a rectangle once again here. We know what we have to take. It's 1250. Place it center. Yes, that's what we want. Here and should be this color with the borders 10. Good. Now what we can do is we can duplicate this and bring it front. If it's in back side, we can increase this font size to like 80. Just good. All right, so we can add some, as usual, links. We can add some about section about Trev. So we can add that text here. Trev. We don't want this. And 20. Okay, now Trev. Trev is fast among others. Others. Sewing for about 2 decades. Decades and to 80 plus countries. And what we can add. Okay, this is fine. Please and join us. To enjoy our club membership. We don't want this. And it should be 15 and not regular extra light. And the text will be here like example at mail.com. Feel too little grayish. Hmm. Uh, and there will be a button. I guess I can have to create this button to here. Okay, I have to add a circle here of 40 to 40. Hmm. Fill to okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now one more thing, some things I want to add. We can add some labelings here. Mm, okay, we can add some more labelings here. Um, we can add new packages. Tours and travels. Tickets, bookings, and then add terms and conditions. Privacy policy. Okay, so we have here some labelings. This, and one more thing. Yes, this meant exactly contact us. Route 10. Perfect. I'm not finding this good. So our page is ready and we can see our prototype. Finally, we have created this landing page design. Just a second, let it be to load. So yeah, we have this here, and I guess is it very good. I enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed too. Learn something new about the elements, how to add elements, and where we can place and how we can use the layouts different ways, right? So if you guys enjoyed, please like, comments, share, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Okay, please support me to make more videos, motivate me. Thank you. We'll see you soon.